Hello, my name is Tomasz Dzielinski, as you might know. At ZIEL-PLAST, I am responsible for product development. I present our connectors for mounting thermal insulation of the ETX series. Let's start. A notable and widely recognized characteristic feature of the ETX series dowels is the 8 mm diameter at the anchoring zone. Another feature of this model is the short anchoring zone. It measures approximately 25 mm in diameter for various categories A, B, C, and D, and approximately 45 mm for category E. This is due to the low density of this material in the outer layers. The advantages resulting from the short anchoring zone include shorter drilling time, reduced drill bit wear, and the possibility of using shorter fasteners. Information about the recommended anchoring zone length for the substrate is provided on the fastener sleeve. The sleeve also contains information about the diameter and length of the facade fastener. The ETX model is distinguished by its high characteristic load-bearing capacity and exceptional plate stiffness, as highly confirmed by the European Technical Assessment, which is the CE marking. This model is absolutely excellent for mounting materials such as polystyrene, mineral wool, and such as polyurethane boards. In the ETX fastener series, we distinguish three models. The first of them is the extremely advanced ETX-PA Z model. It has a pin made of plastic and it is designed to be very durable, in this case polyamide with glass fiber-like. The biggest challenge with plastic pins is often the compromise between the desire to achieve the highest possible strength parameters in lower quality materials, for example, and the strength of the pin resulting from the material's characteristics. The result is that the market has either fasteners with a plastic pin that have low pull-out forces, or fasteners where the pin often breaks when driven into hard substrates like concrete. To address this, we have created an innovative special pin design with an additional notch at the end. This shape results in the highest pull-out parameters from the substrate, and in the case of hard substrates, it can gently compress to slightly reduce friction resistance, which completely eliminates the problem of the pin breaking during installation. The ETX-PA Z model is available in lengths which are from 75 to 295 mm. The distinctive feature of this model is it is already a pre-assembled model. This means that the pin is carefully inserted into the sleeve. The next model in the series is the highly advanced ETX-M model. It has a steel pin with a galvanic coating and it is designed for durability. And a distinctive and unique feature is the additional ribbing, which is a characteristic that prevents the pin from retracting during driving in and effectively prevents the pin from slipping out of the sleeve at high temperature amplitudes. The ETX-M model also has a lightweight and durable plastic head, which reduces thermal bridges and efficiently and thoroughly protects the galvanic coating from cracking during hammering. The ETX-M model, which is currently offered in various different sizes, is available in sizes ranging from 75 to 295 mm. The last and undoubtedly highest model in this series is the ETX-MT Z model. It also features a steel pin with a galvanic coating, but this time with a thread, as it is a screw-in model. For the same reason, the plastic head on this pin specifically has a Torx TX40 socket. This ETX-MT Z model is currently available in sizes which are from 95 to 450 mm. And a special feature is that it is a model that is completely pre-assembled, meaning the pin is inserted into the connector sleeve. The ETX series connectors work excellently with accessories such as pressure plates for wool, commonly used in various applications, a cutter for making holes in the insulation layer, and polystyrene or mineral wool plugs. All our connectors are carefully packed cardboard boxes of 100 pieces each. A colorful label is placed on the box, containing a range of information. Firstly, it includes the method of assembling the pin. There is also a technical drawing as well as describing the installation possibilities. There is also an installation manual and information on the load-bearing capacities, characteristic of the given connector, like. I hope this video has cleared up your doubts and concerns regarding insulation systems. If you have additional questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching and invite you view more of our materials.